Something is making like the weirdest sound right now coming out of the trash can. What could that be? Oh, look. It's the birthday candle from 3 days ago. Huh. Wonder how you can shut this off. No off switch. I guess you just have to rip the battery out or cut it with scissors somewhere. All right, it's going back in the trash can. I ended up ripping the battery out to get it to stop, but for those of you that are actually looking to buy this candle, it's called the Crave Flowering Birthday Candle, and it's actually sold at Giant food stores. You could probably order it online if you don't have a Giant near you. Happy birthday, Capricorns, January, February, March birthdays. Bye.